Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete cache on Android apps to free up storage space and improve app performance, follow these step-by-step instructions to clear cached data effectively. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer or notification panel. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications to view all installed apps on your device. Step 3. Browse through the list and select the app whose cache you want to clear. Step 4. Tap on Storage or Storage and Cache to view the app's storage details. Step 5. Tap the Clear Cache button to remove temporary files stored by the app without deleting any personal data. Step 6. If you want to clear cache for multiple apps, return to the apps list and repeat steps 3 through 5 for each app. Step 7. Alternatively, to clear all cache at once, go to Settings, then Storage, and tap on Cached Data to clear system-wide cache. Step 8. Confirm the action when prompted to free up storage space on your Android device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.